How to change the taskbar locations in Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 8 also. So if you are also facing this problem and if you are searching the solution, this is the right video for you. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So if you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification. So you have to subscribe and you have to press in the bell icon. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So now I'm showing you my computer screen and you have to follow all the steps.
So here is my computer screen, you can see. So if you have also problem to change the position of your taskbar, so this is the right video for you. You can watch this video until the last. So it's the simple trick. Lots of people are facing this problem. So how can you change the position of your taskbar locations? So there are several ways to change the taskbar positions in your Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 8 also. There are normally two ways. There are two methods. So first method is just you have to click in the search, okay, and just you have to type taskbar setting. Okay, now you can see there is a taskbar setting, right? And from here you can see there is a taskbar location on the screen. So now I'm using the button, and from here you can change in the left, top, right as per your requirement. But in this time I'm using the bottom. If you want to put your location in the top, now you can see my taskbar in the top side. Okay, now you can make it in the left side also, you can make it right side also, or you can make it in the bottom side also. So you can also use this one in the Windows 7 also, but for this you have to right click. Okay, right click, and there are different kind of options. And another way is very easy. Just you have to drag your taskbar from left to right. If you want to put your taskbar in the right side, if you want to put your taskbar in the, just wait for a minute, in the top side, just wait for a moment, you have to drag from here. Okay, I think this is not working this time. Now you can see my taskbar in the top side. Okay, so this is the easiest way, and it is one of the fastest way to change your taskbar locations. Okay, so hoping you understand how can you change the taskbar location. That's it.
Hoping that you understand to change your taskbar locations in Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 8. And still if you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you in another video, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.